Sometimes you have to use more than one step to help solve a word problem or story problem, like this one. There are 3 buses parked in front of the school. There are 10 students on each school bus. Then 5 students get off of one of the buses. How many students are still on the buses? So to help us solve this, we are going to have to do this in 2 steps. The first step, we're going to create a multiplication equation to help us figure out how many students were on the buses before any got off. So we know we have 3 buses with 10 students on each bus. So we're going to have 3 times 10. And we know whenever we multiply by 10, we just add a 0 to the end of the other number in the equation. So 3 times 10 equals 30, which means there were 30 students on the buses to begin with. Now the second step is we are going to have to subtract the 5 students who got off the bus. So we have 30 minus 5, which equals 25, which means there are 25 students still on the buses.